Hello everyone and welcome back to DIY Build and Repair. My name is Flavian and on today's Trying to Fix video we have the long-awaited revisit for the Asus monitor. Since we already took it apart in the previous Trying to Fix video, there's no point in doing it again on camera, so I'm gonna cut straight to the chase. I got a component tester from AliExpress. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'll use it to quickly check the capacitors just out of curiosity. It's not gonna be the most precise thing, but anyway, for the purpose of this video it's gonna be just fine. First I go for the biggest one I've seen, because it's the easiest for me to test. I don't have to take it off the board. I couldn't find the ESR values for this type of capacitor, but since it's not a huge number, it shouldn't be a problem. With just 0.8% value loss, I think this capacitor will be just fine. So while that one stays, all the other capacitors will be swapped. In a quick browse through the process, I'm gonna remove the old caps, measure them, measure the values of the new caps, and install the new caps, of course. After soldering the new caps, I clean the residue from the rosin with isopropyl alcohol. Now off camera I checked the on-off switch, the bridge rectifier, the power on button. So I really hope the new capacitors will do the job, because there's not much I can think about besides what we've already been through. So now that all of those capacitors got swapped with new ones, I'm going to give the back of the board a good clean with isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol dissolves the conformal coating on the back of the board, so you can see what mess it left behind it. After a good rinse, it looks much better. You can easily spot the difference. The board on the left still has it, the board on the right is clean now. And now for the long-awaited moment. Let's try to turn it on. And click! Big disappointment, no standby light, no nothing. It doesn't work. Sorry it wasn't a fix. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.